Lord, thank you for the safe night. Thank you for my family. Bless my work. Bless my work today. Bless my trips today. Amen. Okay na yun. Then mag-chat ka na at magkape kasi nakakunik ka na kay Lord.
Please don't feel this way.
If the Lord will still allow you to wake up tomorrow, connect first to Him.
You mean so much to me. It makes me hurt when I see you so angry.
Super blessed kasi siya talagang answered prayer namin. Kasi may boy and then girl. Pinag-pray talaga namin yun as in. Lahat ginawa namin. Chinese calendar and all.
Happy birthday, Kali. Ngayon, tuka pa lang. Pero syempre, dahil video to, in the future, mapapanood mo to. Uunahan na kita. Thank you dahil dumating ka sa buhay namin. Pangalawa, malamang in the future, pasensya mo na kung magiging higpit ako sa'yo. Baka ako nga yung maging worst enemy mo dahil baka kontra ako sa lahat ng padalos-dalos mong desisyon. Kinabahan na may nervyos kasi 8 hours siyang sa delivery room. Kasi malaki yung baby, malaki si Kali nun eh.
Nung nakita ko siya, grabe worth it lahat nung hirap at pagod ko nun. Kaya sobrang saya ko.
Kaya wag na mangamba, walang dapat ipag-alala. Palaging nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi.
Sobrang excited ako ngayon sa party niya kasi second birthday, so alam niya na, and tapos favorite niya pa yung theme, Minnie Mouse. Excited ako sa magiging reaction.
No longer scared of the open road, 'cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world, we could be anything. Are you in, are you out, are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start.
Masaya rin dahil syempre asawa ka sa binyagan na rin. Tapos second birthday, ganun din, may isip na siya, talagang nakaka-appreciate na siya kaya nakakatawa.
Ako jealous. Kasi always dada. Parang lahat ng hirap ko, hindi niya ako nakikita, always dada. Mukha talaga siyang daddy.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Mikhaili Andre Martin!
Just start living, let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing you can find what you're missing. Yeah, just start living, let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world.
Happy second birthday, Kali. We love you. Happy birthday, Kali. God bless and take care.
Happy birthday, Kali. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kali! We love you!
Sobrang bossy siya. Sobrang kulit. Parang siya yung matanda dun sa house namin.
Sorry because kontrabida ako malamang. Kasi ngayon, siyempre ako kakampi, pero pag lumaki na yan, especially nagdalaga na yan, malamang ako pinaka most enemy niya, pinaka kontrabida sa lahat.